It's a 2004 Ford Focus. It's the 2.0 VIN code 3 of the 8th digit, I believe. How to change the CV joint. So all I did was took this tire right off, busted it out, and then I broke the lug nut loose beforehand and took it off. And afterwards, what I did was I took two bolts right there, holding the bracket in, one there and one there, holding that CV joint on. Take those off and the bracket to come off, and then you'll take this arm bolt out right here, and then when you pull it, it'll swing like that, and then you can knock the CV joint out, just enough room to get it out without having to take this ball joint out, because this ball joint is very difficult to get out for me, because this car is like pretty old. But that's how I got it out. And getting it back in was the reverse procedure. I put it into the transmission, then I bent this over and squeezed it past, put it in, lined it up, and then I actually used my feet and pushed, and then while it was lined up, the spindles, and then it slid on some, and then I kind of nudged it a couple times, and then after that I went to the back and tapped it a couple times and knocked it in more. Then now, like as I'm doing, I'm locking it in, pull it the rest of the way out, and that's it. That's how easy it is. It's not hard at all. It can take you literally less than 15 minutes to do this.
All of that cash need a vote. Shout out to Trizzy and Ghost. Run up on us, you get smoked. Drip drop. Damn, how you get all that sauce? You can come up from a loss. Grit and finesse at a coast. Drip drop. All of that cash need a vote. So many packs need a boat. I hit your city like Hulk. Drip drop. Damn, how you get all that sauce? All of this, I check the frost. He in the field, any mouse. Drip drop. All of that cash need a vote. So many packs need a boat. I hit your city like Hulk. Drip drop. Damn, how you get all that sauce? All of this, I check the frost. He in the field, any mouse. Most of these niggas be undercover. This one fucking bitch good, but I do not love it. She suck me like a sucker, bitch. I'm out here ballin'. Word from your mother, Papa Potter, great. Word from your brother. Let the money talk, it don't ever stutter. If I pull that bitch, you would not recover. I know we should drip drop. All of that cash need a vote. So many packs need a boat. I hit your city like Hulk. Drip drop. Damn, how you get all that sauce? All of this, I check the frost. He in the field, any mouse. Drip drop. All of that cash need a vote. So many packs need a boat. I hit your city like Hulk. Drip drop. Damn, how you get all that sauce? All of this, I check the frost. He in the field, any mouse.